Okay, I'm gonna try and document what I got going on here. This is our control setup for a rock polisher. These are power supplies. This is 110 volt input and 90 volt DC output. This is for the X, this is for the Y, this is for the trolley drive. And these two, Y1 and Y2, are for the bridge drive. Okay, and down here we have the controllers. That's the step drivers for the motors, X, Y1, and Y2. Our input power is right here. This is 220 single phase input, which puts our power up to these terminal strips. So these two are 110 volt each. And that's our common and that's our ground. You know, those power these three power supplies. And they also power other things like the fan and the voltmeter, things like that. And we're also going to put a duplex outlet on it for the computer. This is our 5 volt power supply for the breakout board. And that's what takes all of these and inputs, and that's how it converts it all and puts it back. That's a connector for the computer right there. So that's what all that does. We're going to put this in this box. Of course, the box got, it's where all our power in, and then our power out for the polisher head and for the X and the 2Y motors. And well, this will be for the computer connector right there. And of course, got a fan on there, and that's 110 volt. Got to connect it up. And this is just an inlet for ventilation, and that's got a filter on it. So anyway, I'm going to try and set up. I'm trying to set this in here. I don't know. Okay. How well that went, but anyway, that's all in the box now. And at that point now, we can connect the wiring for the switches and everything. That's the lid. I'll set this on top of the box there. Of course, we've got our main power here. That's how you start and put power to all the components in here. Of course, that's our emergency stop. That will kill everything. If we shut this off, it'll kill all the power to everything except the 110 outlet, which is going to go right there. Yeah, we put a duplex outlet right there with a waterproof cover on it, and that'll be for the computer. Again, if you shut it off here, it'll keep power to that, so you can run the computer without running anything else. But if you hit that emergency stop, that'll kill the power to everything. That's our amp meter for our polisher motor. And that's the start-stop for the polisher motor. So, yeah, at that point, we can, of course, run our wires for start and stop, and or power for the voltmeter and the pickup for it, and the off-on switch for the polisher motor. We get them hooked up, and some more connections down there. We'll be pretty much ready to try it out and see how it works. Anyway, kind of give you an idea of where we're headed with this thing. There we go.